Welcome. Today we begin with a quiet but unsettling truth. A business can be profitable on paper and still go bankrupt. This isn't a rare event, it happens more often than most realize. Many business owners focus on profit believing it's the ultimate measure of success. Yet beneath the surface, cash flow tells a different story. In this video, we'll calmly examine why even profitable businesses can run out of cash, and what silent mistakes often lead to this outcome. Let's start by clarifying the difference between profit and cash flow using clear, practical examples. Profit is what's left after subtracting all expenses from revenue. It's an accounting measure, often shown at the end of a profit and loss statement. Cash flow, however, is about the actual movement of money in and out of your business bank account. You can show a profit on paper, but if customers haven't paid their invoices, your bank balance may be dangerously low. Imagine sending out $10,000 in invoices, but only receiving $2,000 in payments this month. Your profit looks healthy, but your cash flow is tight. This timing difference is where many businesses stumble. Let's look closer at timing. Suppose your business delivers a project in January, but the client pays in March. Your profit and loss statement shows revenue in January, but your cash doesn't arrive until much later. Meanwhile, you still need to pay rent, salaries, and suppliers. This gap between earning and receiving money is a common cash flow pitfall. Many businesses, especially agencies and service firms, face this challenge. The calendar becomes a silent player in your financial health, often dictating whether you can meet your obligations on time. Your bank balance is the ultimate reality check. No matter what your profit and loss statement says, only the cash in your account can pay bills. A business with $50,000 in profit but only $2,000 in the bank is at risk. This is why monitoring your cash position daily is essential. Dashboards and bank feeds can help, but the key is understanding that profit is not cash. Many business owners are surprised when their accountant shows a profit, yet they struggle to make payroll. This disconnect is at the heart of many business failures. Now let's examine 3 silent cash flow killers that can quietly undermine even profitable businesses. These are not dramatic events but slow, persistent issues that erode financial stability. We'll look at delayed customer payments, fixed costs that grow faster than cash, and the risks of scaling revenue without liquidity discipline. Each of these can be fatal if left unchecked. Let's start with the first, delayed payments from customers. Delayed payments are a common challenge, especially for agencies, consultancies, and SaaS providers. You deliver value, send an invoice, and then wait. Sometimes customers pay late 30, 60, or even 90 days after the due date. Meanwhile, your expenses continue. This lag can create a cash crunch even if your profit margins are strong. Businesses often underestimate how much working capital is tied up in unpaid invoices. Over time, this can lead to missed payroll, late supplier payments, or worse. Second silent killer is fixed monthly costs that grow faster than your available cash. As businesses expand, they often take on new leases, hire more staff, or commit to software subscriptions. These costs are predictable, but if your incoming cash doesn't keep pace, you can quickly find yourself in trouble. A SaaS company, for example, may sign annual contracts with customers but pay monthly for servers and salary. If customer payments are delayed or churn increases, fixed costs can overwhelm your cash reserves. Third killer is scaling revenue without maintaining liquidity discipline. Many businesses focus on growth, adding new clients or expanding services, but growth often requires upfront investment, hiring, inventory, or marketing before cash comes in. If you scale too quickly without enough cash buffer, you risk running out of money. Service businesses and agencies are especially vulnerable, as new projects may require hearing before clients pay. Liquidity discipline means ensuring you have enough cash to cover growth-related expenses. Consider a marketing agency that lands a large client. They deliver a campaign invoice $20,000, but the client pays 60 days later. Meanwhile, the agency must pay staff, rent, and vendors. Even with a healthy profit margin, the agency's cash reserves shrink. If several clients pay late, the situation compounds. This is how agencies can be profitable on paper yet struggle to meet obligation. Managing receivables and setting clear payment terms is critical to survival. SaaS company often faces high fixed costs, servers, development, support. Revenue may be stable, but if customer payments are delayed or churn increases, cash flow tightens. The company might show a profit, but if cash receipts lag behind expenses, it may need to borrow or cut costs. This illustrates why monitoring both profit and cash flow is essential, especially in subscription-based businesses where timing differences are common. Service businesses often scale by hiring new staff or taking on larger projects. This requires cash up front, recruitment, onboarding, and equipment before clients pay. If the business grows too quickly without enough cash buffer, it can run into liquidity problems. Even with strong sales and profit margins, a lack of cash can halt operations. Careful planning and conservative cash management are necessary to avoid this trap. Let's visualize the cash flow problem. Imagine a dashboard showing stable profits but a declining cash balance. Invoices pile up as unpaid while fixed costs remain steady. The business appears healthy in reports, but the bank account tells a different story. This disconnect is subtle but dangerous. Regularly reviewing both profit and cash flow dashboards helps spot issues early before they become critical. Calendars play a hidden role in cash flow management. Payment cycles, invoice due dates, and payroll schedules all interact. A mismatch between when money comes in and when it goes out can create shortfalls. Using calendar tools to track receivables, payables, and key financial dates helps anticipate cash gaps. This is especially important for small businesses with limited reserves. Unpaid invoices are more than an administrative headache. They directly impact your ability to operate. Each unpaid invoice is cash that could be used for payroll, rent, or growth. Businesses that don't actively manage receivables risk accumulating a backlog of unpaid bills. Over time, this can erode trust with suppliers and employees and ultimately threat survival. Clear invoicing processes and follow-up systems are essential. It's possible for a business to report stable or even growing profits while its cash reserves decline. This often happens when revenue is recognized before cash is received, or when expenses are paid before income arrives. The result is a slow squeeze on liquidity. Without careful monitoring, this can go unnoticed until it's too late. Regular cash flow forecasting and reconciliation are key practices to avoid this fate. Modern financial dashboards can provide real-time clarity on both profit and cash flow. By integrating bank feeds, invoicing systems, and expense tracking, business owners can see the true state of their finances at a glance. This transparency helps identify issues early, such as overdue invoices or rising fixed costs. The goal is to make informed decisions based on actual cash, not just accounting figures. Liquidity discipline means maintaining enough cash to cover obligations, even during periods of growth or delayed payments. It involves conservative forecasting, building cash reserves, and avoiding overcommitment. Businesses with strong liquidity discipline are less likely to be caught off guard by unexpected expenses or slow-paying clients. This approach is especially important for small companies with limited access to credit. Safeguard against cash flow mistakes. Businesses should implement practical measures, set clear payment terms, follow up on invoices promptly, monitor fixed costs, and maintain a cash buffer. Regularly review both profit and cash flow statements. Use dashboards to track key metrics. These steps may seem basic, but they are often overlooked in the pursuit of growth or efficiency. Consistent discipline is the best defense. Most businesses don't fail because of bad ideas or poor products. They fail because they run out of cash. This is a calm, analytical reality. Even the most innovative company can be brought down by a cash flow mistake. Recognizing this risk is the first step toward building a resilient business. By focusing on cash flow, not just profit, you put your company on a stronger footing. Take a moment to reflect. The difference between profit and cash flow is not just an accounting technicality, it's the line between survival and failure. Many profitable businesses have disappeared simply because they couldn't pay their bills on time. By understanding and managing cash flow, you become a more informed, cautious, and ultimately successful business owner. This realization is not dramatic, but it is essential. If you value practical, analytical business thinking, consider staying with us for more insights. Our focus is on clear, actionable advice, no hype, just the facts that matter for your business's survival and growth. Subscribe if you want to continue learning how to avoid common pitfalls and make smarter decisions. Thank you for watching, and remember, profit is important, but cash flow is essential.